Hi, I'm Alex from CMR Technical Campus, Batch 12. This is my major project titled Food Ingredient Identification from Food Images. The goal of this project is to identify the ingredients present in a dish by analyzing its image and then suggest a relevant recipe using those ingredients. So let's begin with the demo. First, I'm going to open my project folder and launching a development server using the command npm run dev. This starts the backend and frontend, enabling the functionality of the application. Now that the server is running, I'll switch to the browser. Here we can see the main interface of the application. So let's go to About page and I'll quickly explain what this app does. So in the About page, we can see the description of the project. So let's start with the features of the project. First feature we are going to see from this project is easy photo upload. So we can simply take a photo of your ingredients or upload an existing image. The next feature is AI-powered analysis. So this AI identifies ingredients and suggests the best recipe for your image. And coming to the third feature is detailed recipes. We can get step-by-step ingredients and ingredient lists for your recipe. So let's quickly scroll down below to see how the project works. So basically, this project has 4 steps where you can get the recipe from the food image. The first step is to upload the food image to get the ingredients. Second step is analyzing food image and identifying ingredients and generating a recipe. So this basically scans the photo using multiple CNN algorithms and machine learning algorithms to identify the food and generate the recipe using text models. Third step is to classify the food image and which category it belongs to and generating recipe using LLMs. The fourth step is where we get the recipe of the food image that you just sent. We need to just verify and confirm the food we got and the ingredients are correct or not. So let's just navigate back to home page with the demonstration of the project. So we need to upload an image. So let's click on this upload icon to upload the image. So I'm going to navigate to the food image folder and upload the image. I'm going to select cheesecake for this demonstration. The image has been uploaded. I'm going to click on Analyze button. Voila. We can see cheesecake, which has been identified by the algorithm, and we can see the cooking time, about 1 hour, and the difficulty of the dish is quite easy. And this belongs to American cuisine. So coming to the ingredients, it contains cream cheese, sugar, eggs, heavy cream, vanilla extract, graham cracker crumbs, and butter. And the next is instructions. We can see it also generated instructions to bake a cheesecake. So the first step to bake a cheesecake is to preheat the oven to 355 degrees, that is 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, beat together cream cheese and sugar until it's smooth. Beat in the egg one at a time. Then stir heavy cream and pour vanilla. And pour the filling into the prepared crust. Bake the dish for 45 to 50 minutes or until the center is set. Let it cool completely before serving. This is the recipe to bake a cheesecake. So that concludes the demonstration of this project. So this project is ideal for smart kitchen assistants, food recognition apps, and even dietary planning tools. So this basically takes a food image and identifies the food and use the instructions to prepare the recipe. And that brings end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.